Hi guys, in this video we will be looking at question 3 November 2022 grade 10 paper 1 as we are preparing for November 2024 paper 1. We will be looking at question 3, which is 10 marks. That's beautiful, 10 marks. They said that your friends Zain and Letty have been trying to solve an exercise based on the following. So based on the following, to solve an exercise based on the following 2, 6, 10, 14, that's a sequencing. Then they said 3.1. Letty says that Tn is equals to 4n minus 2, and Zen says that Tn is equals to 4, open the bracket, n minus 1 plus 2. Who is right? Use algebra to justify your answer. We'll also look at 3.1.2, determine the value of the 27th term of the sequence. But let's start with 3.1.1. If you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. You only subscribe once. Well, let's look at 3.1.1. Well, guys, question 3, 3.1, 3.1.1. Remember, we need to prove, let's use Zane's formula to prove whether it's the same with that of Letty. So remember that it's for Zane we're given 4, open the bracket, n minus 1 plus 2. So we have Tn, which will be, remember 4 multiplies everything. 4 multiplied by n, that will be 4. 4 multiplied by negative 1, that will be negative 4, plus 2. So the like terms, well, for n minus for n, right? So we don't have a like term that goes with n, but we have negative 4 plus 2, which will be negative 2. It's the same as saying 2 minus 4, which will be negative 2. So both, who is right? Both are correct. Both are correct. Then we go to 3.1.2. At 3.1.2, they said determine the value of the 27th term of the sequencing. Using this formula, guys, we have Tn for n minus 2 there. Where you see n, you replace it by 27 because they said calculate the 27th term. That's a position of a term, right? Where there is n, you replace it by 27. So when we say 4 times 27, we'll get 108. 108 minus 2 will get 106. So definitely T27 is equals to 106. So let's go to 3.2. For 3.2, we'll first have to look for the like term, guys. They said determine the n term of the sequencing. We'll first look at the n term or the general formula of the sequencing. Then at 3.2.2, determine the value of the 52 term, 52 and to number, 52 number to end in a 7. Well, we will do that as well. So let's put that into practice. Well, for 3.2.1, what you are given, guys, it's negative 3. You're also given 2. You're also given 7. You're also given 12. You're also given 17. So we'll make our life easier by finding the difference. So if I say 2 minus negative 3, it's the same as 2 minus negative 3. Negative and negative will give me 5. So I'm going to have 5 here. 7 minus 2, that will be 5. 12 minus 7, that will be 5. 17 minus 12, that will be 5. So I can see that this is my difference. Let me name it B. And this is my first term, which will be B plus C. So B is equals to 5 and B plus C is equals to negative 3. So where there is B, I replace it by 5. Where there is 5 plus C, which is equals to negative 3. If we take 5 to the other side, we are going to have negative 3 minus 5, which will be negative 8. Well, thus, therefore, Tn is equals to Bn. This is a standard formula. Where you see B, you replace it by 5n, then your C was negative 8. So, meaning that our n term, or the general formula of this pattern, it's 5n minus It's 5n minus 8. Then we go to 3.2.2. So guys, I hope you are learning how we tackle such questions, right? At 3.2.2, they said determine the value of the 52 number to end in number 7. We will focus on those that have 7 in our pattern. We will omit -3. You omit -2, so we'll focus on 7 and 17. We'll create a pattern from this. So 7 and 17. So to get to 17, we add it by 10. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 plus 10, that will be 27. 27 plus 10, that will be 37. So meaning that if we were to find our difference is 10 here. Difference is 10. So let me work. This is the same as B. This is the same as B plus C. Let's find the end term of this. So we have B as 7. B plus C as we have B as 10. Sorry for that. Just as we have our first term is 7. So where there is B, you replace it by 10. So 10 plus C, which is equals to 7. So if I were to take 10 to the other side, it's the same as 7 minus 10, which will be -3. So my general formula will be Bn plus C Tn. B is what? We said B, it's 10. So we have 10 minus 3 as our general formula. Let's continue further then. Continuing further, guys, remember we have 10n minus 3 as our general formula. So we need to determine the value of the 52 number to end in number 7, right? So where there is n, you replace it by 52. So there is n, you replace it by 52. So we have 1052. So if you see 10 times 52 minus 3, let's punch that, we get 517. So the 52 term is 517. So that's how you can work out such question, or you can use other alternative if you have other alternative. Thank you guys for watching and for listening. So tomorrow we'll focus on functions, question 4 and 5. Then we will end with our financial maths or probability as well. We'll look at them and we'll also look at paper 2 this week, guys. And I hope, guys, you are watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for those of you guys. I appreciate everyone who subscribed to this channel. We really appreciate. We are at 976 subscribers. We are very proud of you guys for sharing the video, for liking, and for subscribing. We are left with 24 subscribers. Let's make it happen, guys. Share the video, let others subscribe. Remember, you only subscribe once. And remember, we love you.